Using a Westpac digital card is a convenient way to manage your finances without needing a physical card. Here's how to use it. Activate your digital card. Log into the Westpac mobile banking app. Go to the Services or Cards section and find the option to activate your digital card. Follow the prompts to activate your digital card. Add to mobile wallet. Once activated, add your Westpac digital card to your mobile wallet. Open your mobile wallet app and follow the instructions to add a new card. Use your Westpac mobile banking app to verify the card if needed. Make payments. To make a payment, unlock your smartphone. Hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal. Wait for the confirmation on the terminal or your phone indicating the payment was successful. Online purchases. Use your Westpac digital card details available in the Westpac app for online shopping. Ensure you enter the details accurately when prompted during checkout. Manage card settings. Use the Westpac mobile banking app to manage your digital card settings. You can lock or unlock the card, set spending limits, and receive transaction alerts for added security.